This free tutorial will show you how to turn on Google Safe Search for iOS completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to enable or turn on Google Safe Search, basically on Safari or iOS device, is type in whatever it is that you would like to safe search. In this case, I am using Safari, the search engine or browsing device, and if I were to scroll on the top, I can already immediately notice Safe Search is on blur. And basically, if you want extra protection, you can basically click the third option, which says filter. Now, I'm not sure why it turned color black to color white, or should I say, you have successfully enabled Google Safe Search online with Safari completely for free with your iOS or Android device. Assuming if you do have Google Chrome, it should be the same thing. But again, if you found value, drop a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel.